Coming up on Carousel of Douglas, we show you what we bring on our trips to Disney World. Check it out. Hello and welcome again to the Carousel Douglas. It's a little different today. As you can see, I'm actually doing it vlog style because I'm actually doing a handheld camera. I'm going to be showing you what we do in order to get ourselves ready to go to Disney World. We leave tomorrow, so it's packing day. Come along with us. All right, first things first, we have my luggage. Michelle brings actually a similar thing. This is my full-size rolling bag and my carry-on bag. This is an LL Bean bag. By the way, if you can ever get LL Bean luggage, I got this on clearance once and I've used it for almost 15 years. It is some of the best rolling luggage I've ever had. No, I'm not sponsored. That's the truth. That is my Hazard 4 backpack. It has a Rebel and a Jedi patch on it. I got those because it has one of those really nice Velcro spots on it, so those are on there. And that is my actual park bag. I keep all of my park equipment and vlogging equipment and anything I take into the park. This is for travel on the plane, and I will show you what goes into all of these bags next. All right, so here's everything that goes into that bag right there. That is my traveling bag. That is a LL Bean stowaway backpack. That's actually what I wear in the parks because it's light and I can get all the stuff I need for the parks in it. But that bag can be stuffed into there, as well as my umbrella can go into a little side pouch that's over here. I read on planes, and right now I'm currently reading the Witcher series because I love those video games. There's my notebook that I use. I'm old school. I like to write down my thoughts, and that's my YouTube notebook. That's my MacBook Pro and all the accessories I need for it. This are my batteries. This is my good spare battery, and that is my backup spare battery. This are the AA's that I need for the microphone. It looks a lot like that one. That's a stand-in. That's my old Zoom H1. I'm using the Zoom H1N, and it's on my vlogging camera. This right here is my backup microphone for my phone if my camera runs out of batteries and I need to switch to my phone. I'm an audiophile, so I always have good microphones. Highly recommend this one. This is a Zoom Lightning connector microphone. It is in stereo. You just plug it into the bottom of your iPhone. It works great. They do make them for other brands of phones. That is my 3 terabyte drive that I use for storing all of my vlogging equipment. Highly recommend the Western Digital drives. They are very reliable. That one's 3 terabytes. I call it Big Red. Here is the vlogging equipment I can show you. I have my handheld tripod that actually has a little connector on the bottom. This is a Gorilla Pod. That's for sitting on tables. It actually unfolds into a little tripod. That's if I need to switch to my cell phone. These are the charging cables. They're 10-foot charging cables. There's the batteries, and these are my regular plug-in headphones, and those are my Bluetooth headphones. I actually have really good ATH M50s that I like to use also on trips, but when I take all this vlogging equipment, they don't fit in my bag. There is my sunglasses. They're from Zenni, great company, not sponsored, cheap sunglasses, work great, and I have prescription sunglasses, so they're nice and cheap. Those are my masks. For those of you who don't know, there's been a change to the Disney policy. On the day we arrive, we'll be only required to wear masks on Disney transportation, such as the monorail, the buses, the ferry boats, and things of that nature. So, but those are my masks. Those are the Spirit Jersey ones. I find that they fit my face the best. Microfiber cloth, and I actually use these cloth alcohol bags that come from some smaller alcohol bottles because they're nice and soft and they don't scratch things, and I use those for holding all of my vlogging equipment like my cameras and stuff, especially since it's got to fit in there. Cases don't really work, and having the soft bags actually helps protect it. And so there you go. All of this fits into that bag, including that bag. So that's why that's my travel bag, because it's a great bag. Hazard 4 makes amazing backpacks. That thing is incredible. I love it. It's got lots of space than you think, and it's a crossbody bag that releases easily. I love it. So that Hazard 4 bag goes with me everywhere, and this LL Bean stowaway is perfect for the parks because it's lightweight, and I can get everything that I need for vlogging, and also keep my rain gear and a spare shirt just in case we get rained on. So all of this fits into that bag. All right, folks, as you see here, we have everything that fits into that suitcase. I bring cargo shorts because I like pockets, and there's also a pair of pants underneath there. You can see them there at the edge, just in case Michelle and I do something extra nice. I do bring a long sleeve shirt because sometimes you find some of the air conditioning a little cold in Florida. They seem to think that people want it like Arctic sometimes, so I do bring that. That's my Tommy Bahama pullover. I love that. Those are my normal walking shoes, but because they're smaller, I pack them. I also bring sneakers, but I wear them. Here is my line of Hawaiian shirts. I love Hawaiian shirts. I have one for every single day that we're there. So that is my line of Hawaiian shirts. I have all kinds of different ones, and you'll see them as I vlog in the parks. Here is my running outfits. I do go running from time to time. I know you do a lot of walking, but sometimes if I get up early enough in the morning, I will go for a run. So there's my running outfits. That's my toiletry bag and some belts, as well as my sunscreen. Here's my swimming suit and pajamas underneath it, and over here are all my socks. I prefer ankle socks. I find that I sweat too much in higher socks and that, so I wear ankle socks, and then other things that I won't say what they are underneath that. And over here are my magic bands. This is my everyday magic band. It's Chippendale's Rescue Rangers. These are my Epcot magic bands. My Epcot magic bands are specials because Epcot's my favorite park, so I always bring those. This is the Farewell Illuminations, and this one is the Epcot 35. This is everything that fits into my suitcase. This is my final suitcase. This is actually my carry-on bag. You'll notice that I have matching luggage tags on this and also my regular suitcase. I got those years ago in a Disney promo. I don't know where to get them anymore, sorry everybody, but that's my rain jacket, and this is my spare outfits. I have 3 t-shirts and a spare pair of cargo shorts, spare pair of socks, and unmentionables. These 2 things, however, don't get packed. Those are my sneakers. I'll be wearing those, and my hat. I wear both of these so they don't get packed, but I put them in because they come with me to Disney. One of the reasons why I actually keep this bag packed light is because this becomes my loot bag. So everything that I picked up from the merchandise shops goes into this bag, and so therefore everything comes out real nice and safe, and I can transport it home. So this becomes my loot bag, which is why it's so lightly packed. All right, so that's everything that fits in that bag.
And now we have a quick mouse moment with Michelle and her awesome packing tip.
Hello everyone, this is my little friend Piglet. Alright, here's one of my packing tips. I got this idea off of a Disney group a couple of years ago, and I believe the original poster intended it to be for packing for her kids, just to keep outfits and everything organized. And I saw that as a fantastic way to keep my stuff organized. This is what I do. Everything for the day goes in a bag with date, and what it is, and what ears go with it. And this is my current state of packing, which is kind of a mess, but my organized mess, and it's okay. And next step is to actually get the suitcase out of the attic and pack it all. Thanks so much for watching my packing tip. We're really excited for our upcoming trip. Hope you guys enjoy it.
So there you have it, folks. That's my how to pack my suitcases. That's what I feel needs to come with me when I go to Disney. They're all packed and ready to go. My bags are packed. They're ready to go. Oh, wait, sorry. I won't break into song again. But we're gonna have a great time in Disney. We'll make sure to bring you along with us. Again, we have those new experiences. Check out those videos. I'll throw in a couple of those cards in now. And just remember, we'd really appreciate it if you like this video to hit the thumbs up button. And if you really liked it, well, the easiest thing you can do to support this channel is hit that subscribe button. So please do that. Please comment down below what you like to pack in your trip. Maybe we forgot something important. Otherwise, it's been great talking to you. I don't like to say goodbye because I'm going to see you real soon. See you, bye. You want to know what unfortunately isn't coming with me? My Sorcerer's cards. Darn it, I missed that game.